Hello student, in this video I am going to start the next topic, that is naming of acids. Okay, if the acid is binary acid, means acid containing hydrogen, okay, and one more element are given by adding prefix hydro and suffix ic to the name of the second element. Like this one is hydro, okay, chlorine है, that is by chloro, okay, then ic, hydrochloric acid. This one is fluorine, so that is why hydrofluoric acid. Okay, so this is the first rule. And the second rule, the names of acids containing radicals or polyatomic groups. Okay, like these one, H2SO4, H2CO3, H2SO3, okay, given on the basis of second element, like here sulfate, carbonate, again sulfate, okay, but prefix hydro is not used. Like this one is sulfate group, that is by sulfuric acid, okay, this one is carbonate group, that is by carbonic acid, and this one again sulfate but less oxygen compared to this one, that is why the us prefix we will use. So the name of this H2SO3 will become sulfurous acid. Alright, so the next topic is naming of bases. Okay, as we know, bases contain OH radicals, okay, and they are known as hydroxide. After the name of metal, we have to use this hydroxide. Okay, so this one is metal. Alright, so the name of NaOH will become sodium hydroxide and NH4OH. This one is ammonium, so that is why ammonium hydroxide. Children, the next thing is trivial name, which is also known as common names. Okay, there are certain names of compound which do not follow any systematic rule. Such names are called trivial names or common name. Chemists have not considered wise to replace these names, means these trivial name, by systematic names, as they are widely understood by the common man. Like common name for nitrogen trihydride is ammonia. Okay, so we rarely call it nitrogen trihydride, we always call it ammonia. Then next example is table salt. All right, and the systematic name of this sodium chloride is the systematic name of table salt is sodium chloride. Okay, then next one is hydrogen hydroxide. As we know student, this is water and we always used to call it water, but the systematic name of this water is hydrogen hydroxide. Reason, because when we distribute this H2O, it will become H dot OH. Okay, so hydrogen hydroxide. Okay, so these are the trivial names of certain element. Now the next topic is chemical equation, which I will explain in the next video. Take care.